All right, welcome back. I had bought a Bluetooth adapter for my car stereo. My current car stereo does not have Bluetooth capability. It sounds great, but no Bluetooth. So I thought, well, let me try one of these Bluetooth FM transmitters. You've seen them on the web. They're like, I don't know, $10 up to $50 or more. The one I bought is less than $20, and I did a video on it. I almost forgot. Well, let me show it to you, and I'll give you my final thoughts on a Bluetooth FM adapter for less than $20. Okay, so it's flashing. I need to pair this with my phone. I forgot. So let's do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so it's paired with my phone. As you can see here, I can adjust the volume up and down with that nice simple knob, volume all the way up to 30. If you push that, you can set the frequency, the band on your FM stereo to match the Bluetooth adapter. You can go up or down, pick a station, or pick a frequency tune where there's the least amount of static. And in my case, it's going to be 87.9. And that's it. I'll test a couple songs. All right, I tested the phone call, Bluetooth. Trying to get a call, accept a call, receive a call from my phone to the Bluetooth. That part did not work very well, and it could be because the adapter sits so low that it doesn't, the mic doesn't quite pick up my voice. There was a lot of static too. But apart from the making and receiving calls, I thought the stereo sounded pretty good. Played 2 test songs and 2 different types of music, and I thought it sounded great. So check out the Bluetooth adapter that I got for less than $20. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I think the bluish glow around it is pretty cool. Lights up at night. It gives it a nice kind of like a Knight Rider effect, sort of. Anyway, I'll have a link for that below in the show notes. So if you need to add Bluetooth capability to your car stereo and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, pick up a Bluetooth adapter for less than $20. It works pretty good. Don't expect high fidelity CD quality, but for what I paid for, I think it sounds perfectly fine. So check it out.